Welcome to another Cutler Appliance Repair educational video. This one's going to be about microwaves. How to care for your microwave, stop your microwave from blowing up the best you can do, proper cleaning to your microwave to make sure that it doesn't go bad sooner, how to change your light bulb without blowing up your microwave. Microwaves have two types of energy traveling through them, a high voltage and a low voltage. Alternating current and a direct current. Sometimes having an issue with your direct current can cause shorts and other issues within your machine. Learning how to prevent backsurging of energy and shorting of components is key to keeping your machine lasting as long as the manufacturer expected it to. For instance, when using your microwave, it's smart to stop or pause your machine before opening the door. When you open the door, you release micro switch buttons that tell the machine the door is open, but that also can cause a surge of energy back into the board of the machine or just arc at the micro switches, causing a small wear which does build up and will cause issues in the future. And while on the subject of surges with the microwave, you must unplug the microwave, completely kill the power to the microwave before changing your light bulb. This was not something that you had to do with earlier models, but newer models will blow the control board if you arc the new light bulb in the socket, either removing the old one or putting in the new one. So remember, always pull the power from the microwave before changing the light bulb. Keeping the inside of your microwave clean will help prevent your machine from failing catastrophically in the future. If food stays on the side wall of the interior of your microwave for too long, those microwaves will attach to that food, to that debris, and start to cook that area. And once that protective layer has had a hole burnt through it, the machine will start to arc and throw sparks as if you had put metal inside the machine. At that point, it is unrepairable. So remember, make sure that you wipe down the interior of your microwave on a regular basis to help keep your machine running as long as the manufacturer intended. Did you know that there is a filter located at the top of your microwave, hidden behind a panel, just in case you burn your popcorn? If you get a bad smell in your microwave and it won't go away, this is a charcoal filter. Its job is to be removed, thrown away, and replaced, and the odor is supposed to go with it. So if you're having a smell in your microwave, try looking up your manufacturer's book on how to remove the charcoal filter. So just as a recap, remember, pull the power to your microwave before replacing the light bulb, pause and stop the machine before opening the door, and if you do get a funky smell in your machine, remember you can change that charcoal filter. Wipe down those interior walls, and your machine will last a lot longer. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.